Hello student, in last two videos I taught you about the integers, how to represent on the number line and the sign of integers, how you use the sign of plus, minus, multiplications in the integers. Now in this video I am going to explain about the properties of addition, that there are two properties. First is commutative property and the second is associative properties. Now let's see how it will be helpful in addition of integers. Just drawing the two parts. First property is properties of addition. Properties of addition. The first property is commutative property. And the second is associative property. Now first see about the commutative properties. In commutative properties, A plus B equals to B plus A. Means when we are adding A plus B is equal to B plus A. Means when we are changing the digit, the result will be same. Let us see with the example. Suppose A is here 4 and B is here 9. So A plus B, 4 plus 9 equals to 9 plus 4. The result will be what? The same. 4 plus 9, 13. 9 plus 4, 13. The result will be 13, the same. Now, both the numbers were, both the integers were positive. Now, let us take the negative integer. Suppose A is plus 10 and B is minus 4. Then how you will add a commutative property? A plus B, B plus A. This is the property how to add up two integers. Now this for both the positive integers. Now here I am going to explain about the negative integers. A is 10 plus, according to the property, now minus 4. So it is, if I not put the bracket over here, then two sides will be together. So it is necessary to put the bracket. So in bracket it will be minus 4. Here the B was minus 4, so we will put here minus 4 in the bracket, plus A is 10 plus 10. Now let us solve this. Here plus minus, in the last video I taught you that plus minus will be minus. So 10 plus minus 4. Here it will be minus 4 plus 10. Now the plus minus, here is plus, here is minus. It means we have to subtract from the smaller number from the bigger number. Here is plus 10, here is minus 4. It means we have to subtract plus minus minus. We have to subtract from bigger number to smaller number. So 10 minus 4 will be 6, and the sign will be of bigger number. So bigger number is what? Plus 10. So it will be here plus. Now let's come to the right side. Here is minus 4 plus 10. So plus minus plus minus. So we will have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. So from 10 we will subtract 4, we will get 6, and the sign will be of bigger number. So bigger number has plus sign. Here will be also plus sign. So we have got both side 6 and 6. So this how you can add of two numbers, whether it is negative or positive. Now let's come to the associative property. I am also going to explain on the number line how you will solve in the number line. Suppose this question is given on the number line. I am going to draw a number line. Here is 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, and plus 10. The right side will be all the positive integers, and the negative side will be all the minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So let us take the, suppose 2 plus minus 3. We have to plot these integers plus 2 plus minus 3. How you will place on a number line. First we will move to we will put the 0. From 0 we have to start 2 digits. Here is plus 2. So we will move up to the from 0 to plus 2. Now it is plus minus 3. So if we will change this, plus minus minus, so it is minus 3. Okay, so from here we have to go to the minus side. We have to plus up to the minus side. 1, 2, 3. We have to move up to the 3 from here again. How many side we have to plus? In the negative side, here is minus 3. You have to add plus minus 3. So minus 3 side we will move up to how many places? 3 places. So from 2 to 1, 1 to 0, 2 place, 0 to minus 1, 3 place. Means we have to move up to the 3 digits. Now what we have got the result? We have got the result minus 1. So like that, if you subtract here 2 plus minus minus, so we have to subtract from bigger number. So 3 minus 2, 1, and we will put the sign of which number? Bigger number. Bigger number sign is what? Minus. So we will put over here minus. Now come to about the associative properties. In associative properties, it is said that A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Means if there are 3 digits, you can add in any way. Suppose let's take example. A is equals to 4, B equals to 3, C equals to 5. If we are adding all the integers are positive, so here is a will be what? 4 plus b is 3 plus c is 5 equals to a is what? 4 plus b is equal to 3 plus c is equal to 5. Means here is the idea to group. How you will add in an easy way. This makes the addition easier while grouping the digits. Now you will solve as the board mass. First we have to solve the bracket. So 4 plus 3 plus 5 8. Here 4 plus 3 7 plus 5. 4 plus 8 is what? 12. 7 plus 5, the result is also 12. So this how it helps in addition. Now let us take some negative integers. These all were positive. Now let us take some negative integers. Suppose a equals to 4, b equals to -3, c equals to 5. So according to the same a plus b plus c, you can group anyone. It is not necessary that first you leave the first and the next two you will group. You can group anyone. Suppose in this I am grouping a plus b. A plus b plus c, and here I am grouping like this. Suppose a is 4 and b is -3. So plus -3, and here will be a big bracket. Plus 5. Here is a is what? 4 plus b is what? -3. C is what? Plus 5. Now here we will make the big bracket. Clear? Now we will solve the plus minus. Plus minus minus. So 4 minus 3 plus 5. Here it will be 4 plus. Now outside the bracket, here is minus plus minus. So it will be minus plus minus. So we can put here -3 plus 5. Clear? Now we can put here bracket. So the small bracket. Plus minus minus. Now 4. Here is 4 is plus, 3 is minus. So there is two signs, plus and minus. So plus minus minus. So we'll do the subtraction from greater number. 4 minus 3, 1. Which sign we will put? The greater sign. Greater number is what? 4. It has positive, so it will be a positive. Plus 5. Now here is, first we will solve the bracket. So plus, here is minus, here is plus. So what we will do? Minus plus minus. So we will subtract smaller digit from the bigger digit. So 4 plus minus plus minus. So we will subtract. What the result will be? 5 minus 3, 2. And what the sign will be? Of a positive. The sign of positive. So now 4 plus 2 is here, 1 plus 5 is what? 6. Here is 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have got the same, no problem here. 6 is also here, 6 is also here. If you want to plot on a number line, that will be also very easy in this way. Suppose draw a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. I have plot the up to the plus 10 and up to the minus 10. Now from we will start, take the digit, suppose plus 2, plus 3 plus minus 5. Now this is of one group. Now how we will, let us take another example. Suppose 2 is here, plus minus 3 plus 5. Now we will put here in a big bracket. Now here is plus 2 and minus 3. So we will move up to the plus 2. From 0 up to 0 is here. We will move up to plus 2 and again plus 2 we are moved and again minus 3. So 1, 2, 3. We will move up to here. This sign is what? Plus minus 3 according to that. Now again plus 5. We have to move the plus side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We move up to here. Let us see by solving the question. Plus minus minus. So 2 minus 3 is equal to plus 5 equals to 2 minus 3. It will be 1. And which sign we will put? Minus sign. So minus sign will be here. Plus 5. What will be the result? Minus plus minus. So we will subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So the result will be 4. And what sign we will put over there? Bigger digit sign. So bigger digit is plus. So it will be plus. We have got the result here. Plus. Clear? You can view clearly if you are unable to view that. So in next video I am going to explain about the properties of multiplication.